Hello, NeXT community. So I wanted to show you, I just got in the new Logitech mouse as well as the keyboard. My old Mac keyboard has been giving me trouble despite trying to clean the keys and everything else. And it came in and she's glowing, man. I don't know, is that normal? So at any rate, I'm going to set it up. But on another note, I can finally advertise we have the USB to NeXT Non ADB Quokes have arrived. So I've got the prototype here. I should say the Quokes are under production, but I can officially announce them. And I've already got an optical mouse working on one. It's a wired mouse, but I'm told I should be able to demo wireless keyboards and mice for the original NeXTs. Now, Matt at Drackware had similar adapters, but he stopped production of them a couple years ago. Despite my efforts, I tried to contact him. So Alex over at Inertial, Rabbit Hole, I sent him over a NeXT, and we collaborated, and with his talented engineers, we were able to create something that's going to bring a lot of life back to good old NeXT hardware. And I have quite a few stations here that now we have a path, because the USB to NeXT Quoke works with Brian Archer's third-party sound card and my custom cable. And then we've got also Alex's Zulu SCSI cards, and I've got the custom configuration that we've done. And we're doing new caps on the boards. I got new old stock power supplies and floppies and cables, and I can 3D print the parts we don't have, and we can hook them up to flat panels. And we're also working on some processor accelerators. This is interesting. We're going to have an FPGA with high-speed Ethernet and HDMI, similar to the Vampire on Amiga. Coming down the pike, it's called the Verilog from Yusuke, my friend and customer over in Japan. They've been working on some fun stuff over there. So stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. Hope you're having a good Saturday. And I still can't get much working. I just about have the Batronix USB chip programmer working on macOS. I had to install UTM, which is a free emulator, and I've got Windows 11 up and running. I can install the software, and I just have to, I'm using ChatGPT to help me configure the bridge. So I've got to pass through to USB peripherals plugged into the Mac Mini. So stay tuned. Once I get it working, I will post a video. Uh-oh, she stopped blinking. I guess I should probably get her charged up. Have a good evening.